Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my live stream today. There are three things that I want to talk about today in my live stream. The first one, I want to talk about the stocks that I'm going to be trading today. And the second one is that I want to talk about two trades that I did this week that I think they stood out, and they're going to be very educational. I think I made some very correct decisions, and you're going to see. So stay with me. And also, lastly, I want to talk about Chinese stocks and my strategies to approach Chinese stocks, because these equities, they have dropped significantly since the beginning of January. Everything has been hit. I mean, Tencent, Alibaba, Baidu, anything you can think of. It's quite troublesome. And given the fact that they have been performing so well for the past few years. So these are three things I want to talk about today. So let's get started. And let me see. Hey, Renee. Hey, Sobers. And Bing Bing. Tanja. And I know you. And Get to Chapa. And Ruby. Hey, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, welcome to my live stream. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so it's gonna be a very interesting live stream today. So yeah. So first of all, I'm going to tell you. I think some of you come here for my tickers, because I have a pretty well-defined scanner, and I also have some of my trading friends. Sometimes they send me some tickers that they think they're going to be very interesting, and they're going to be definitely volatile. So I'm just gonna give you my tickers first, so you guys can look at them if you want to day trade. And possibly, I think today I'm going to have a little bit longer live stream, and perhaps I want to trade for the last 15 minutes of my live stream, for the first 15 minutes of the market open with you guys, and see where it takes us. Because sometimes I'm still practicing this because I want to concentrate. Sometimes if I'm doing my live stream, it's gonna be a little bit harder for me to do two things at the same time. And plus, that you guys know, I trade on Interactive Brokers, which is on my Mac, and I do my live stream on and I show you guys the charts on Webull, so it's a little bit different. Yeah, so that's that. And let me know if you think my music is too loud or my voice is too low or too loud. Just let me know in the chat, okay? It sounds great. Okay, awesome. And thanks, video. Secret Agent Meow Meow, you say, I day traded Hood and I get 16% profit. Good for you, man. That's like awesome. 6% for, like, you know, day trading. That's really something. It's great. It's great. Actually, you know, if you have the right size, every day I have talked to some of my day trader friends, and they say every day if you can get 25 to 30, even 20 to 30 bips, you can have a pretty comfortable life just day trading. But it sounds easy, but actually, when you actually do this, it's not as easy as you think. All right, so that's that. So for those of you, if you are watching this right now, I am very curious. I'm wondering how many of you are day trading, and if you are day trading, just write day trading. If you are not day trading, just say whatever midterm or long term, whatever, you know, you are trading in the chat. So if you are day trader, you say day trade or day trading or whatever, and if you are not day trading, just say long term or mid, or, you know, just learning, something like that. Yes. Wow. Wait. Whoa. So you are day trading VRPX PMCB. Man, I don't know how get to La Chapa. Dude, I don't know how you get this, man. I don't know. Look at my tickers right here. Look at my tickers. Actually, the two trades I want to share with you guys, they are a PMCB and VRPX. Exactly, these two stocks that I want to talk about, which are the two trades that I think I did pretty well. And you're gonna see one of them is gonna be very eventful. It's gonna be like a roller coaster, and it's gonna be very educational when I talk about my PMCB trades. Yeah, it's gonna be very okay. Day trade +1, very good. Mid, long, I prefer swing trade. Thank you. I'm still learning. Yeah, it's great, awesome, guys. You know, you guys are very responsive. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's great. All right, so first of all, let me give you the stocks that I'm going to be day trading today. I haven't actually added them to my watch list yet. Now let's do it together, okay? Let me show you my chart right here. Let me show you my chart. Okay, worry not. Let's look at the chart right here. Okay, so basically, you know, all of the tickers on the left side right here. Yeah, so they are the stocks that I'm interested today and this week. But I might not talk about all of them, but they are all interesting. I'm going to pick some of them and talk about it, right? So now let's look at my what do you call that? The stocks that I think is going to be interesting. Definitely, first one, I'm going to be watching PMCB for sure. And also, I am going to be watching closely the VRPX. These two, they're going to be very interesting. Then, I'll be looking at NVDA today. Okay, NVDA. So this is something I'm going to be very interested in today. And the hood, it's another one. I think that's going to be very interesting. And let me see, Chinese stocks. Definitely all of the Chinese stocks. All of the Chinese stocks, like, you know, Futu, JD, Neo, Tencent Music, you know, PDD, Bilibili, you know, all of that. EDU, these are very interesting. And last one actually is Tesla. I want to look at it, but I I don't usually trade Tesla. Do you guys know why? I talked about why I don't trade Tesla. If you know, let me know in the chat why I don't trade Tesla that often, especially for day trading. I don't really do it that often. So yeah, so let me see. I'm still learning. I prefer swing, trying to day trade. Oh, great, awesome stuff. Morning, yeah, PMCB. Yeah, you know, Susan of Rivera. Is that from Witcher? I used your moving average method, and you know, moving average is something very powerful. Awesome, you know, it's very powerful, very simple to use. You know, use moving average with something else. Don't just use moving averages stand alone. Try to use it with another trend indicator, okay, like a VWAP or Bollinger Bands. I haven't done a video on that, but I will be doing something like that. And just use, you know, try to get two. Guys, try to get two like trend indicators, and a moving average is definitely one of them, okay? Tesla is way too overpriced. Tesla is very, very overpriced. Yeah, I think it's kind of overpriced as well, you know. And which one of my heroes, you know, Michael Burry, and he has a short position against the Cathy Wood, and which his ARK investment has a lot of Tesla, Bitcoin, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and the Square. So that's going to be interesting. I think Tesla is overpriced as well, but it's still, day trading the spread is too crazy for me. Yeah, meme stocks, you know, AMC, I'm still looking at it, though it's kind of dying down a little bit. It's because Shane from Home Depot, I think Tesla, one thing is that one of the things that bothers me the most is that the spread. It's just, when you get in, you lose like, you know, you lose like a couple of hundred already if your size is big. When you get in, you know, you lose a lot of money already. That's why I don't like it. So thank you for gaming, God, Ohio. Yeah, VWAP is kind of useful, yeah, especially for day trading. And a VWAP only works for that intraday. Okay, so Elon Musk, not the Elon Musks, I don't think. Well, of course, if you're talking about the Musks family, made it on, and Chinese stocks are so hot, yes, in a bad way, because they have been dropping like crazy. So, one more question. Yeah, since you guys are talking about Chinese stocks, okay, I'm wondering, I have this question, and this question it's going to last for the whole live stream session. I want you guys to tell me if you think right now Chinese stocks is a good opportunity to buy the dip. Do you think right now Chinese stocks is a good investment? If you think Chinese stocks is a good investment, say buy. If you don't think it's a good investment, say whatever you want. Say sell or don't touch, whatever that you feel comfortable. All right. So yeah, yes, you know, buy yes, or don't touch, or hold. You know, buy Ruby, exactly. Yeah, you know, it's kind of interesting. So we're gonna be talking about this kind of stuff. All right, so now you guys know that I'm gonna be looking at NVDA, Hood, and all of the Chinese stocks, PMCB, and the Tesla, and the VRPX. I'm gonna be looking at those very closely. And later, let's look at the charts later, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing I want to talk about is the two trades that I did. I prepared something like this. I'm gonna show you guys. My the prices that I got in and the prices I got out. Okay. Yeah. Don't buy the dip. Sell. You guys. Yeah. You know that this is exactly like what's happening in the real stock market investment world. You know, we have different opinions. You know, but we are going to back them up with educated guess and with facts and numbers and all of that, right? But the last thing I want to talk about is actually I think I have a strategy to how to approach these Chinese stocks. I have a strategy, and I want you guys to wait. After I finish my trading analysis, I'm gonna be sharing my strategies with you guys how to approach these very important, short, these very risky Chinese stocks. Okay. Well, do you think of NEO crash? I'm not sure if NEO crashed, like the definition of crash, because I've seen NEO at $2 at 170. That was a crash. So right now it's still trading around 30. If I'm correct, it's still trading around 30, right? So I don't think. So Faker, Joker, I don't think NEO it has crashed. Though I guess from $67 all the way, it's like 50%, right? I guess you could say it's a crash, but it's one of the Chinese stocks. So now none of them is doing well. So I think I'm still okay. I think this 30 level is going to hold. That's my personal opinion. Yeah, looking to short NEO. Interesting. Yeah, I bought Tesla at 16.5 because I sell it today. Well, Tesla sellers. Okay. You guys keep on asking these great questions, and now I can get to my trades. Interesting. No, but the look of it, I don't think you should sell it. I think that 725 level, it's a level you need to watch. Maybe when it reaches like 720, maybe sell some of it to take the profit. But I do think right now, because it has, since it touched right here, if you see this, okay, I made a separate chart just for you guys, so you guys can see a little bit closer right here. See that? A little bit for you guys, so you can zoom in to actually see the price. I haven't put my picture right here. In the future, I might. But over here, you see that? This support right there, this support is 642. I hope you can see this number correctly. This support really held. So, and right here, there's another support, 628. So that depends on how many positions you have. I think these supports, they are still very solid. And right here, now it's trading at 689, right? So I think you are fine. Let me see. What is a pre-market doing right now? Let's see what is. Wow. It's kind of like woo. I see why you are. Oh, now it's like 675 right now. Pre-market 675 and actually reached here. But you bought around what 605? Did you say that? So yeah, I think you still have some some room. Definitely give yourself a little bit more rope, and definitely if you feel uncomfortable, get out half of it. But right now, even like pre-market, now it's slowly grinding back. Even though watch this 675 level, it's gonna be a little bit tricky, but I think it still has room. Even though there are a lot of institutions they have shorted. They have short positions against Tesla, so still have to be a little bit careful. Yeah, but definitely do not let yourself go into the negative zone, because now you are in the money, right? You'll be very stupid, which I'm gonna show you guys my trades that I never let myself go in negative. Sometimes you lose a little bit, but I don't allow that. I just I wouldn't let it happen. I just get out. I lose a little bit, I get out. If the opportunity comes back back up, and I go back in. That's what I do. All right. So now that's Tesla. All right. Let's go back to me only, and the Tesla's still too expensive. PE ration of Tesla crazy. Okay, 605. Have you lost any profit on Chinese stocks? Yes. Yes, I have. If you have been watching my live stream and all of my videos, that I told you that I have some positions on DD, though I averaged down once, and now it's $7. I think I'm going to buy a little bit more. Yeah, my size on DD is very moderate. I feel very comfortable. Well, that's my name, right? Modest Grant. So I'm very moderate, especially for these Chinese stocks. I know that. But actually, I day traded DD and I never lost day trading DD. But my long-term investment on DD, I kind of it's in the red zone right now. So, but I'm thinking about I'm gonna average down a little bit. Yeah. So that's what I'm planning to do. So now let me show you guys the trade. Okay, that I did. The first one I want to talk about is Apple. Yeah, Apple. I want to do this a little bit differently. Okay, I want to do this a little bit differently. I wanna engage more with you guys. So let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so this trade is August 16th. This is gonna be very educational. Trust me. Just stay with me. Okay, stay with me. This is gonna be a very educational trade. I'm going to show you guys what I did right there. Okay, so right here. 16. Okay, so all right, I got in around. The price I got in was. I'll show you guys why I got in. Here we go. Yes. 48 exactly. Right here. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the chart. You haven't seen the chart. I'm gonna show you guys the prices later. Okay, now I can show you the chart because it's ready. So this is the trade I did on the 16th, and I was day trading. For those of you, if you have questions, hold on. Okay, buy tip. For those of you, okay, Gray, Gatsby, Fang stock, do you prefer for long? You know, I was really bullish on Amazon, but obviously I was wrong, and I'm out. So I took a moderate loss. Yeah, but I'm out of Amazon. So anyway, so now for those of you who have questions, wait. Let's just watch what I'm talking about, and I want you guys to answer these questions here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, again, like I said, when I day trade, I always have a reason. Okay, I always have a reason. So you guys can see this price right here. That you see this beautiful bullish candles right here. Here, sellers came back in. Right here, a little bit wick. Buyers say no. Bulls kept coming back in. So right here, another bullish candle right here. Right here, around here, 9 something. Let me see, 942. A little bit worried because it's kind of too high right there. Went back a little bit. So my reason, when I got in this trade, it was a long position. It was a long position right there. I got in obviously right here, and my price is 149 and 91 cents. $149.91. So you see that? It was a very good price actually. Why? Because this is my VWAP right here, right? VWAP support right here. Bullish, go right here, comes back to VWAP. VWAP is my support. What I do? If it's a support, I go long because very bullish. Very bullish. If it breaks that VWAP, perhaps I'll go short. But I see the volume right there. There's no reason to go short. What I do? I go long right there, right? I go long. Exactly. Right here, I go long. The next one, the next candle, let's see the next candle right there. The next candle, 49. You see that? Is it beautiful? Yeah, I think it's a little bit better. What does it tell you right here? What does this candle tell you, guys? I haven't done my candlestick tutorial yet, okay? I will be doing a candlestick tutorial in the future. So this candle right here, what does it mean? It's still bullish. It's green. And it says right here that buyers came back in. Sellers were selling. Buyers came back. It pushed back up. I was feeling comfortable. Yeah, buyers try to push it higher right here. So this is 49. Here we go. This is 48, 49 right there. And the next one, I'll actually show you this one. Actually, I should show you this one. It's a little bit better. Somebody ruined it. Somebody ruined it. Somebody ruined this. Somebody ruined it. Who ruined it? Let me switch it back. That was a 2-minute time frame. I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't ruin this. So we still have yeah, this is beautiful. This is, of course, this is much more beautiful. Excuse me, guys, but now let me see the prices. Okay, 48. Okay, 48. Very good, very beautiful stuff right there. Yeah, I almost ruined it, but no, I didn't. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go back. I know it's pretty funny, right? Yeah. You see that? This is a beautiful VWAP trade right there. See that? Yeah, these are like bullish candles. But I like I told you, look at the volume right there. This volume, and this like bearish volume is like nothing. A little bit higher, but I was still bullish. I got in right there. on VWAP. Good reason, right? Do not trade without a reason. Next one, this one right there. It's kind of like breaking out a little bit. And now you see this candle? It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. That's what I said. Buyers came back in. Then this happened. Now I have a question. When this happens, what do you do? What do you do here? Okay? Tell me in the chat. Hold or sell? Hold or out? And remember my teachings. Remember my teachings. I want to ask you, when this candle happens, stay or out? Remember, I have a long position. Right there. Stay or out? Hold, stay, sell. Interesting, okay. Of course, I have a little bit lag, right? Hold. Bruin, Tanja, Ruby. Go watch my videos. Remember what the Warren Buffett says? He says that the first rule of investment is don't lose money. The second one is to remember the first one, right? The first one. So same thing with trading. This obviously means get the heck out. Sellers came in. Take your loss. Get out. Take your loss and get out. And my trade, definitely, I got out. At 9:51, exactly 9:51 and 50 seconds. Kind of late right there. Kind of late. You see the next one right there? Get out, guys. Get out. If it doesn't work, because that VWAP trade is your support. The support is gone. What are you doing here? Get out. Always hold Rapunzel. Don't ever day trade, okay? You are not a day trader. All right? Stay in your tower, brush your beautiful hair, stay away from day trading. Okay? So get out, guys, get out. I got out. I definitely got out. I'm gonna show you guys my ins and outs. Okay. The next one is a little bit very interesting one. This PMCB. Don't worry about it. I'll be talking about this one. But look at my Apple trade right here. I got in right here. Here we go. This is my loss. I got in around 149.91. I sold my position. It was a long position. I sold my position 3 minutes after 149 and 22 cents. Obviously, get out. Take your loss. You can never win 100 times. Okay, so get out. And look, if I hadn't got out, you know what it looked like after that? Let me show you guys. If I hadn't got out, this is what it looked like. That I would never take. I could never take all of this loss right there. That would be a horrible loss right there. That would be horrible. I just got out right here, and think about it. From this part all the way to that, it was just stupid to stay for that long. You could remember you are day trading for that particular trade. Remember your role. Remember what you are doing. Are you investing? Are you day trading? Are you swing trading? I was day trading. I follow my rules. Follow your rules. I got out, and it would have been horrible. Of course, it came back. But like I said, I am not investing in Apple at that moment. I was just trying to catch the momentum, and obviously I was wrong. Later, of course, it was right here. But obviously, my sentiment for the whole Apple thing, it's kind of like bullish. I think I was right, but right here it was too high, so I took my loss and I got out. And I think that was a losing trade, but it was a good trade. Okay, let me see what you guys talking about. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I even heard it sucks. Here we go. Have you ever day traded Netflix? I have day traded Netflix. Not often. Is another thing is that the spread is kind of. I have Netflix invested though. It's one of the thing. I have a subscription, and I have a family plan. It's nice. Yeah. So very convenient. Again, last time I said that use Edge. If you don't watch HD, Chrome, Firefox, they don't work. Okay, on Windows. If you're on Mac, use Safari. That's how you get 1080p. Other browsers, they do not support 1080p. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when you watch Netflix on Windows, just use Edge. On Mac, use Safari. Don't ask why. Go Google it. Well, I explained actually. Okay, I come in here super. Okay, you are my idol. Come here. It's always follow your rules, guys. Always follow your rules. Okay, always follow your rules. Definitely. Netflix is being sued for insider trading. Okay, I haven't read about that, but I will read about it. I'm not sure, but interesting. Thank you for letting me know that. Okay. All right, good, awesome. You're waiting for Prince Charming to save you? Yeah, well, I'm not really sure. Now let's talk about this. I did 3 trades on BMCB yesterday. Okay, guys, if you look at my, I want you guys to look at my what do you call that? My entries. They are separate trades. They are 3 trades. When you see buy, that doesn't mean I'm averaging down or doubling down. It doesn't mean that. Okay, if you look at the time. The first one I got in was 9:31. Then I got out, okay? Then I got out because it was a losing trade. The first one is 6:57. I got in. Then I got out 6:33. Because why? Like I said, I'm not going to take a huge loss because my plan was to get in and make money. I got out. I had a loss. I took some risk and I was wrong and I got out. That's what happened right there. The second trade, momentum came back. I got in again, 674. Again, I got out 632. Isn't that? Doesn't that make you want to go? 2 trades. That's 934. Obviously, because my size was a full position, and I couldn't take that loss beyond that point. That's why I got out. The second trade is I got in around 674. If you see this number right, I got out 632. That's a huge loss right there. Huge. That's like what 42 cents. Insane. Very bad. But here we go. 936 again. The third time I saw the opportunity. Why? Because every trade. This is the thing. Why this is educational, guys. Listen carefully. Day trading, because I've been training myself to be like this for the past few years. I'm still trying to not let my emotions to get me, because when you are trading, you get very emotional, and these things, they set you off. You are not following your rules. When you should get in, you don't get in. When you should get out, you don't get out. But this trade, I'm very proud of myself that my confidence, it shook my confidence. These 2 trades really made me feel like stupid. And I really wanted to, I really hated myself because it was the right call, but it didn't really go. So, and they were huge losses. But the third time, the right conditions, the right volume, the right bullish candles, what do? I didn't want to get in, but my reasoning, I think, thank God, my reasoning was there, and it kind of like it kind of beat my emotions, and I put my emotions aside, which I was really proud of myself when I did this. I put my emotions aside. I said, "This is the right trade. Go click, get in," and I got in. Then you see, I got out at $7.63. That's $1 win. I lost the first one. I lost 10 cents. I lost 30 cents. They're huge, by the way. Well, 30 cents, that's huge. Percentage-wise, that's a lot. Okay, if you calculate the price differences. The third one, Third trade, that's $1, and that's $1. That's almost like $1. I think, yeah, it's almost like $1 right there. It's $1 gain, which is like what? I think that's like more than 10%. I think that's more than 10%, right? We can look at it. But now let's look at the chart right here. Yeah, this one I just tell you what happened right there, and we can totally look at the chart right here, right there. Let's look at the chart right here. This is yesterday. Let me see. Yesterday. Yeah, you know, obviously before you can see that it's not a. If you look at these very messy, very choppy, out of nowhere candles, that's not day trading. Of course, I would not get in. But you see that? You see that? This is beautiful. The volatility, very volatile right there, right? So that's the thing right there. You see that? The first one. Bullish, open high. Why not? Pushed back in. I got in 31. 931 got in. Did not work right here. Excuse me. Heartburn. I'm sorry. 32 right here. I could have had my loss. More reasonable. I could have my stop loss below this wick right there, but actually it was kind of tight. So I got out. That's why I took this loss. Because I wanted it to be tight. Then 934. 1, 2, 3, 4. 934. I saw that it didn't break this support. It came back in. I got back in. Then it wasn't going my way immediately. I did not like it. I hated myself. I got out again. Because why? The volume. The bearish volume right there. And remember, I have a 30-second time frame view, and it was even higher. So I didn't like this volume. My reason, did not like it right there. And again, I got out 935 right here, 935. Then here we go, bullish. I didn't really want to take the last trade, but I was looking at very closely. Well, it said right here, hey, let's try the last one. Let's get back in. Here we go. Buyers, bulls, and the bears fighting, but higher. You see that? It didn't make a lower low. That's why I stayed in. Here, higher high, higher lows. Huh? What does this mean, huh? Right here. Isn't that beautiful? That's when I felt, oh yes, do not let your emotions get you. Trade with reasons. If you think it's a good opportunity, get in. So actually, what I think I did wrong was that actually my size was too big. It could have been like a half size, and average down here, I would have made so much more. Definitely. I would have made so much more if I had half size, but it was full size. I did not want to take them. And sometimes, like these stocks, I think that if it goes, it goes. You see that? If it goes, it goes. And in the end, I got out around $7 because I didn't think, because like I said, because I had 2 losses, I wanted to make sure. Otherwise, I would have let it run a little bit longer. But right here, around like 43, because right here you can see right here is a 39, and you had a 5-minute halt. So they halted for 5 minutes. I was a little bit worried because what happens when these stocks, that means something is wrong. You should be careful. And right here, obviously, buyers, pushed up, but sellers came back in, and I didn't want to be any part of that. And plus, these 2 trades previously, they were full size position, and they were moderately big losses, and I wanted to cover my losses with them. And I said, hey, you did a good trade, take the profit, don't risk it. Obviously I am not a YOLO person, as you guys can see, so that's what I did, and I'm very, very happy the way I did it, and I think it was really interesting. Yeah, so hope you guys I hope you guys really, really learned what you are seeing here today. Okay, because I think they are very educational, and they are the real trades that I did, and that's what I was thinking when I was trading these stocks. And I'm not the best trader in the world, but I'm still learning, and I hope you guys can learn from my mistakes. Of course, we make the same mistakes over and over, but that's trading. Try to use your reasoning. Okay, don't let your emotions get you. Okay, now let me look at the charts right here. So here we go. Yeah, PMCB, exactly, right here. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Can you cover BABA? All right. Whoa. Very good question. Very good question right there. Now you guys are talking about these are Chinese stocks right here, right? So, like I said today, this is the third part of my live stream that I want to talk about how I approach these Chinese stocks right here. So, the first is that we know that these Chinese stocks, they have been hit hard, and that they have been underperforming since the beginning of this year, January, especially February. You know, I think January it made a new high, but after that, it was a downhill from that point on. You know, so these like BABA and Baidu, Tencent Music, PDT, all of them, they have been trading very low. So my strategy is that you guys have to understand that all of these Chinese stocks you are investing, they are more dangerous than the stocks you buy than the U.S. stocks that you buy, because all of these they are listed with this VIE structure. I'm doing a VIE video, so if you're interested, it's going to be up in a few days, a week or two. So make sure that you like and subscribe, and turn on that little notification bell thing. Make sure so you get notified when this video is up. I'll be explaining in detail what the VIE system is. So basically, long story short, they are dangerous and you could lose everything. So my strategy is how to approach these Chinese stocks is that limit your exposure. The first one is that buy less Chinese stocks. Buy less Chinese stocks, especially a particular name, such as just BABA or PDD or Tencent or whatever that is, the Chinese stock that you like, these tech stocks. Just don't concentrate. Don't have a concentrated portfolio on Chinese stocks. Another thing is which I have right here. I compiled 3 best Chinese tech ETFs right here. So if you just remember these names, right? So the second thing is that so VIE is kind of dangerous. So but if you want to own some Chinese stocks, it's buy less or buy Chinese ETFs, because the probability of all of them getting busted, getting picked on, getting spanked, or getting whatever the adjective, the verb that you want to use. Sometimes getting audit, whatever, audited, if whatever you want to say. So is that you have this diversified portfolio of Chinese ETFs, which you have a bunch of them. So the probability of all of them going bust is very, very low. Sometimes, sometimes one particular Chinese stock, DD, one of them gets picked on, so that's going to affect a lot of real investors. Like I told you, DD is trading around $7-8. Somebody bought it around 50. I told you, right? Watch my DD video. God, $50 become 7 or 8. Somebody feels stupid. So yeah. So here, this one right here, if you can see it, here we go. CHIQ Global X Morgan Stanley company, or corporation international. This ETF, it performs pretty well. Okay, I'm not gonna be doing a detailed research or explanation of these ETFs. I'm just gonna show you the tickers. You do your own research, okay? But this one, ECNS, also another ETF. Another one, KGRN. So they are all Chinese ETFs. Of course, they have all been hit hard. This one, I guess, is a little bit better. And ECNS, you see, all of them been trading down. Obviously, we all sort of know why right here. So these are ETFs. So what I'm trying to tell you, it's not to prevent that if they get hit, if people are selling, they are going down. But what I'm trying to tell you is that to prevent them from getting delisted, this is one way. If one of them gets delisted, that's just one stock because you are owning a bunch of them. These ETFs, they have been performing pretty well. Okay? So this is the second way. The first one is buy less. Second one is buy ETFs. And the third one is actually, you can actually buy these Chinese stocks on Hong Kong Stock Exchange that you actually own them. So if they get delisted, your shares, they would get converted. So you wouldn't lose everything. Like the ones they are listed, like the ones you buy that's listed on U.S. stock exchanges. Okay, so buy them directly from Hong Kong stock exchanges, where I think foreigners, that's the only place, foreigners, non-Chinese nationals, you can actually own Chinese stocks on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So that's the third way I think you can actually own. So don't be lazy. Just open an account because there's always the risk or doing extra work. I always do extra work to prevent these losses. Okay, so that's that. All right, so market is about to open, and I really want to look at it. Let me see lastly, like what kind of questions you guys are asking right here, right? Don't buy, trade NEO. NEO has been trading down pretty low. All right, market has just opened. Let's take a look at it. All right, let's take a look at it. 9:30. Let's see. I think that's interesting. All right, 1 second. Let me see. Okay, Microsoft is pretty interesting right now. Microsoft, Facebook, and there's another pharmaceutical company. This is kind of interesting. Hold on, let me set up my chart correctly. Okay, SNOA. This one is kind of interesting. There, SNOA. Okay, I'm long. Let's go day trading. This one opened very high. I know it's not in my list, but sometimes if the volume is right, I get in. I've said this many times. Okay, here we go. Let's go SNOA. Oh, I think it's halted. Is it? No, it's not. Let me see. Open really high. Yeah, right now. Okay, let's see other ones. Apple, it's kind of interesting. NVDA is interesting. Okay, SNOA halted 1241. I couldn't get any shares. Okay, NVDA trading down. Let me see. Let's look at NVDA trading down. Let's see. I guess I can short it. NVDA. Hold on. Let me see if it's good. Oh, I don't like the spread. Jeez, the spread is like 20 cents. I don't like this spread there. But the volume looks right. Let's try a little bit of NVIDIA. Let's short a little bit, but it has a support right there. Okay, let's get in. Who cares? Yeah, it's working. Okay, it's going a little bit. Don't go back up, NVIDIA. No, I don't like you. Yes, I like you. Yes, go down. Yes. Go south. Do not go north. Go south. Come on. Yes. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. NVIDIA, you see that? Volume picked up. I have a 30-second view. My volume is better than this 1 minute. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Oh, beautiful. Jesus. Okay, it's coming back up. It's okay. I'm in the green. Baby. Sellers came back in. A huge wick right there. There's a wick. Sellers are still coming back. Buyers couldn't do nothing. Yes. This is, wow. Short position. Let me see how much. I am I am 1% in the money. 1%. That's beautiful, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take half out. I'm gonna take half out right there. I'm gonna take half out. All right, if it hits 193, I'm out. But I'm gonna let the rest of it run. I'm gonna have my trading stop, like I always do. It's coming back up. God damn you, buyers. But I was 1% for half of my position. Here we go. Sellers, go. Sellers, come back in. Come back in. No? That's okay. I'm not gonna look at this anymore. I'm half out. Okay, let's look at BABA right now. BABA is hot right there. Okay, even though I gave you like different stocks because I have a scanner. Okay, BABA is not interesting. EEM, so-so. Okay, VXX. I'm giving you these tickers right here, guys. VXX, let me see. Very interesting. But I don't like the candles. I know, I should be showing you guys. Whoa, NVDA is still going. NVDA is still going. And it has to have, oh, yeah, NVDA. Oh, yes. I'm just gonna let my trading stop work for the rest of the day. If I get stopped out, I'm in the money. Guys, I'm in the money. That's how you win, baby. Pfizer is interesting. Okay, VXX, not interesting anymore. Pfizer, PFE, Pfizer. Okay, if you guys are following me, you guys can look at these charts right here. Yeah, kind of because I'm looking at my interactive brokers. It's a little bit Pfizer, not interesting. AMD, I'm gonna give you very quick. That's how I scan. You actually get to see how I trade. I'm scanning all of the stocks. I look at it. I think interesting, not interesting. Go like that. Scan all of them. AMD, not interesting. Lots of volume, not interesting. Okay. NVIDIA, still very interesting. NVIDIA, yes. I want to look at NVIDIA one more time. Hold on, guys. I want to look at NVIDIA one more time. By the way, my price when I got in was $193.39. It's trading 190. All right, now it's forming a hammer. Is it a bullish hammer? Okay, I gotta be careful right now. Right now, you know, with this bullish hammer, actually, I could take out another 25%. Let me take out another 50, which is 25%. Yeah, I don't like this hammer right here. You see my reasoning? Because here we go. Buyers can back up. You know, though it could go. Wait. Is it going? It might go. I don't feel comfortable, but it might go. It might not. I'm in. Oh, I don't like it. I'm gonna take half out. Another half out. Okay, so here we go. 50, 25 out. I still have 25% in it, but I am rich. I'm just kidding. I'm not rich. I'm only made a little bit, but it feels good when it goes your way. And I told you guys because of the volume right there. You see that volume right there? Higher volume. What are you waiting for? Bearish candles. Here we go. VWAP right there. Going down. Just go down. Go. Oh, it's going again. 25%. Why not? It's okay. I still have the last 25%. Let it run. Okay, now I'm not coming back to NVIDIA anymore because I want to see something more interesting where I can have more position, more weight, sizes a little bit more. Okay, this one is SNOA. It's kind of interesting. It halted and now it's coming back. NVIDIA. I'm gonna let my trading stop. Okay, I'm not gonna be talking about NVIDIA anymore. Okay, guys, let's go. SNOA. Yeah, that's yeah. It's coming back. It's trading. It's barely touching this VWAP right here that I have. Right here, this is kind of the VWAP right there. Do I want to trade it? I don't even know what this stock is, but it looks really interesting. Yeah, it's called SNOA Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Okay, now it would be a good price to get in. Do I want to get in? Let's try a small position. Let's try a very small position to get in. Okay, let's try a small position. Okay, let's get in. Alrighty, let's get in. I want to try it. Okay, good. Okay, 12. Okay, 12, 20, 12, 20. Ooh! Oh, did you see that? VWAP trade. I told you, VWAP trade. VWAP trade volume is good. Oh God, but sometimes VWAP trade is wrong. Small position, it's not going. Get out. It's not working. Okay, I'm out. Small loss. Do not stay. It worked, but it didn't work. It worked, but it didn't work. But that's okay. I have NVDA. That's why. Okay, buyers trying to come back in, but no, I'm not gonna stay in because if it didn't go, these kind of stocks, if it didn't go immediately right there, don't stay. It might happen, but it's not my trade. It might happen again, but it's not my money to get. Do not let yourself stay in something that my prediction was that I got in, it goes to the moon. It didn't. What do you do? And it's sort of like, almost it went through that VWAP. I don't like it. And like I said, a small position, because this is very volatile. I want to try something very adventurous. I have a small position. Obviously, now it's trading sideways. It's still trading on the VWAP right there, right? Kind of interesting. But I don't think it's interesting anymore. I'm out. Small loss. Who cares? I still have NVIDIA. One trade. Rules them all. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is so beautiful, isn't it? That's why you only need one trade. You only need one good trade to cover all of your losses. And today I'm done. I have reached my daily goal. That's it. One trade. I reached my daily goal, and I can be adventurous. Let's see some other stocks. If I'm interested in something, I can be adventurous because I have a huge buffer. And right now, I'm still 25% in of my NVIDIA. Actually, with NVIDIA, obviously at the beginning was a full size. Actually, I could have added. But today, I'm nervous today. I'm not going to lie to you. Today, I'm a little bit nervous because I'm doing my live stream and day trading. I'm not sure if I can concentrate on two places. I did it once, and it was okay. So this is the second time I'm doing it, and so I'm not really comfortable. That's why I didn't really want to go. I wanna present myself as a winner instead of going like too much. But I guess sometimes I need to be a little bit more adventurous. But right now NVIDIA is still very beautiful. That 25% is still running. It's nice. That's nice. Okay, now let me see now. Okay, SNOA again. Yeah, see, trading sideways, I got out already. I'm gonna, again, guys, it's just trading around this area. Why stay in? It's very volatile. You don't know the direction. You trade when you think you know the direction. Sometimes you know the direction wrong. Get out. When you think you're wrong, get out. Get out. If it doesn't happen, don't hope. Hope and wish, that's not day trading. You should have a reasonable, educated guess. Your entries, exits, they are something that you should get out or get in. All of that. All right, now, what is this M? What is this M stock? Macy's. Okay, Macy's. Oh, Macy's looks interesting. But I don't like this one right here. Macy's looks very interesting right here, huh? But I don't like the current. Should I? Guys, should I get in? I don't like the sellers trying to push back in. Even though the volume looks kind of interesting and I like these bullish candles, but this wick worries me. Let's say I would get in if it kind of like flickers around this area, but not this area, because this means sellers pushed it back. You see that? So I was right. If it kind of like kind of going up and down right here, gives you that solid bearish green candles right there. I like that. I don't like this. I don't like this kind of dojo-ish candle, or I call this one, what do you call this one? Evening star, morning star, evening star. I guess this one is. Right? I forgot which one it is, but you know what I mean. If you understand your candlesticks, this one is a dangerous one right there. So let's skip it. Yeah. Another thing is that I'm gonna wait until it comes back to this. This VWAP, and obvious right here, you see that I didn't have my EMA, one of my EMA strategies right here. If it says right here, of course your entry will be right here. It's kind of dangerous because this is a lagging indicator. But I was talking to you guys, so I didn't see this one soon enough. So I blame you. I blame you guys that I didn't make enough money. No, I'm just kidding. I love you guys. Just kidding. Here we go. All right. So obviously, Now I have a few more minutes. I'm going to trade a little bit more, but I'm going to see if you guys have any more questions. And I want to end my live stream with a beautiful win on NVIDIA. So now, okay, let me see you guys' questions. Okay, so blah blah blah. I'm sorry, Okay, OTRK, easy, VWAP, yes, today's good. Okay, Morningstar, I think Lucifer, FL, MSGS, yeah, these, yeah. If you guys, WMT, is that Walmart? I think, yeah, all of these, Target, yes, these ones, yeah, if COVID is going away, these are great stocks to go back in because they have been hit. So all of this. You blame me for your loss on NVIDIA. Bing bing, why? You should be responsible for your own trades, right? Remember, I told you that I'm not your financial advisor. Yeah, so definitely, these, like I said, trading, you can never win 100% of the time. Average trader, you have like 50-something%. You would be like a top of the line if you have like 60 or 70. Yeah. 50%, 50-something, and if you get your sizes right, that's when you win, okay? That's when you win. Here you go. That's a PMBC, bought PMBC, the one I traded, PMBC. This one. You have to have your space, man. Nilesh Patel. You have to have your space. Yeah, BMCB. Okay, hold on. Sorry, my bad. PMCB. Yeah, the one I was trading. Yeah, sorry, I was trading. Wow. Whoa. Wait, did it open low today? I was talking to you guys. I didn't even look at it. Wow. PMCB. Whoa, guys. Yeah, that's the trade I was... You see that? That's the beauty of day trading, right? I made money here. Now, if I had held this, I would be crying today. So that's the beauty of day trading, right? I didn't lose the gap right there. I wonder what happened. I'm going to take a look at it later. Oh, right here. I'm not sure. I mean, Nilesh, with this one, did you bought it at 410, now it's 420. Right here, day trading. Are you day trading? Jesus Christ, that's insane, man. Whoa, this is crazy. Well, I guess it opens so low right now. I would wait and see. If you're kind of trading sideways, I would say get out. If it doesn't break this, okay, let me see. Let me see what the price is, okay. If it doesn't break this, well, I think it broke. 426, now it's trading at what? Oh, it's still, we're 426. If you're kind of trading between that 426, you need to be careful. Definitely, I think you should, if it hits that 426, maybe get like, half out. But if it could go, like you could just like, if buyers came back in, it could really rip because it opened so low right now. So now it's 26, let it see. Yeah, when you feel that, sellers coming back in, sell half. Okay, because you've made a lot of money right here. Now it's breaking that 429, 428. I would wait a little bit. Yeah, I would have to see right here. But anyways, it has been my pleasure, guys. You guys have been awesome, great. And NVIDIA was beautiful, and I had a blast with you guys. So next time when you guys come back in, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. So again, for the last minute, if you think I did really well on NVIDIA, say yes. If you think my NVIDIA trade was kind of like a chicken, I should have like a double down. I should have added, right? Say no. Say NVIDIA no, or say NVIDIA yes. Let me know how you think I did my NVIDIA trade today. Okay, I think it was nice. I liked it, but I want to know if you liked my NVIDIA trade or not. All right, guys. So again, this is Grant. Trade and invest responsibly. Okay, trade and invest responsibly. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys later.
you.